Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce to the Vastar. The 135 watt rotary tool kit with two pieces of additional parts. It's a rotary multi-tool, a multi-tool kit with variable speed level. You can choose from 8,000 up to 35,000 rounds per minute. For cutting, for engraving, for drilling, for grinding, for polishing, and. Craft work, DIY, hobbies, and so on. It's really cool device which you should have in your DIY garage, for example, because it is often that you will need such a tool. The Vastar Rotary Tool Kit contains 212 parts and 3 accessories. The rotary tool is powerful with grinding, cutting, engraving, drilling, polishing. Rotary tool can meet all our needs, of course. The Vastar High-performance Rotary Multi Tool here comes with a pure copper motor. It can provide a strong rotation power. The rotary tool has 6 speeds, and the speed of the rotation is from 8,000 up to 35,000 rounds per minute. The multi-tool switches is designed to prevent misconduct. Mechanically improve the regulator gear and switch off the rotary tool. The speed control switch is more stable during the work. It is difficult to slip, improves stability, and it let us do our job. The electric grinding machine uses PUA rubber throws, non-slip and durable design, beautiful appearance, and comfortable. We let us focus on engraving, grinding, and polishing, and more with more stability. The mini process drill economic design makes us a long time to make it easier get done the job. The electric grinding machine here will be heated for a long time. After a period of time, the power should be turned off, and then we use it after it's cooled down again. When replacing the parts, we should be sure to close the mini grinding first. And of course, we have to check the carbon brush every 2 months and replace them when it's very worn down to 1/4 and quarter of the original length. And it's possible to replace this. This is a really cool thing because often it's so the carbon brush inside a motor you cannot easily replace, and if it is time to replace, you cannot find that to buy it. Really. But here, the brand Vastar comes and get 2 of them additional into the box. Really cool. That's cool. That's super cool. 135 watts, 230 volt, 201 2 pieces of high-power rotary tool. The Vastar rotary tool, equipped with a lot of accessories, can meet different work needs. We have a lot of speed variable possibilities. It's convenient adjustment. We can speed up and speed down while we use it, and anti-misoperation safety switch design. This improves our safety use. And it's easy to install the accessory. We ensure that we use the correct size collar chuck for the accessory size, of course. We remove the collar nut by pressing the splinter lock button and rotate it anti-clockwise. If necessary, we use the spanner supply within the accessory to remove. Then we remove the collar chuck, if necessary, and replace with a suitable size one for the accessory what we are going to use next. We insert the chosen collar chuck into the tool. Then we place the collar nut over. We insert the accessory, then we hold the spindle lock button and re-tighten the assembly by turning the collar nut in the clockwise direction. If it is necessary, we use the supplied spanner to retighten. We should be careful not to over-tighten it, of course. And the operation of this tool is easy too. We are looking that we have inserted and secured our tools necessary for the task in our hand. Then we locate a suitable outlet and a plug in the multi-tool. We enter the workpiece in second and stable and free from the containment and debris. We hold the multi-tool in both hands, ensuring we are not covering the ventilation. Before powering on, we select the operation speed using a speed adjustment. If necessary, the operating speed can be adjusted during the operation itself. But it is important to ensure that we are suitable speed to begin with that. B. Cautions of kickback from the tool upon powering on, of course. Because it's a tool, it's not a toy. We slowly lower the tool to the workpiece and begin the cut. Always ensure that we approach the workpiece with the tool powered on. We never power on the tool whilst it is against the workpiece, as this can be cause a kickback and damage to the accessory or to us. We keep our tool clean for all times. Dirt and dust will cause internal parts to wear quickly, shortening the tool surface life. We clean the body of our tools with a soft brush or a dry cloth. We never use caustic agents to clean plastic parts. If the dry cleaning is not sufficient, we use a mild date reagent on the clamp cloth. We do not allow water to come into the contact with the tool itself because it's not waterproof. If it is available, we use clean, dry, compressed air to blow through the ventilation holes. Okay, we ensure that the tool is roughly dry before we are going to use it again. We can make a lubrication. All of the burnings in the tool are re-lubricated with a sufficient amount of high-grade lubricant for the life of the unit under a normal condition. As such, no further lubrication is required. But if we like to perform this, we can use WD-40, for example, to make the lubrication job. And we can change the brushes. We remove the brush cap using a suitable flathead screwdriver. We put the brush cap to one side and pull the carbon brush away from the tool. We take the new carbon brush and push it into the slot, aligned the notch. We take the brush cap and secure it both in place. Job's done. We take care not to over-tighten, as it could damage the brush cap. We always ensure that we change both carbon brushes at the same time, even if they are worn unevenly, of course. The fuselage is designed with a head dissipation hole designed to fully dissipate the head and avoid overheating and hurting our people. The hook design is convenient and safe to place. The rotary tool has a wide range of use. It's suited for cutting, engraving, drilling, grinding, polishing, and other things too. And 135 watt high power, but a low voice. The multifunction tool with a strong power, good stability, and a high work efficiency. Low noise, easy to use, suitable for beginners to meet different workers' needs. And scientific design. It has a head dissipation hole design to prevent overheating damage and prolong of service life too. The switch is stable, avoiding accidental touches, and improve the safety of the use of the multifunction tool. And we have a comfortable grip. The power tool adopts ergonomic design, which is comfortable and easy to use. And the handle can be adjusted according to the actual situation too. We can have a good hook design. It's really cool. A hook is installed on the back of the Rotary Multi Tool, which can be effectively placed in the electronic grinder at work safety. And the box is included. The Rotary Tool is equipped with a box. There we can store everything. And we have a good holder to helps to correctly position and adjust the punching work to improve efficiency too. And we have a protecting mask. The protecting cover of the rotary tool can protect us while we are working, and the protective cover can be block dust and debris, making our work more secure and safe at the same time. This brings us the Vastar Rotary Tool Kit with us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.